When is the National Science Day celebrated to commemorate the contribution of C.V. Raman? So the correct answer is D, that is 28th February. On this day, the Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman announced the discovery of Raman effect, for which he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930. And in 1986, Government of India designated 28th February as a National Science Day. So the year is 1986 when the government declared the 28th February is a National Science Day. The birth anniversary of Dash is celebrated as International Nurses Day every year. The correct answer is A, Florence Nightingale. So the International Nurses and Midwives Day 2021 is celebrated on 12th May every year. Who is the first general of the Indian Army whose retirement day is celebrated as the Armed Forces Veteran Day every year? The correct answer is C, that is General K.M. Cariappa. So General K.M. Cariappa is the first general of the Indian Army whose retirement day is celebrated as the Armed Force Veteran Day every year. And he was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army. International Day of Democracy is celebrated on which of the following dates? The correct answer is C, that is 15th September. On which of the following dates of the month National Mathematics Day is celebrated? The correct answer is C, that is 22nd December. So Indian National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd December every year with numerous educational events held at school and universities throughout the country. World Cancer Day is celebrated on which day? The correct answer is A, that is 4th Feb. National Girl Child Day is celebrated on which of the following days? The correct answer is D, that is 24th January. So the Government of India in 2008 declared 24th January to be celebrated as National Girl Child Day. And the objective of raising the consciousness of the society towards the girl child so that she can be valued and respected. World Cotton Day is celebrated on which of the following dates of a month? The correct answer is D, that is 7th October. World Water Day is observed on, the correct answer is A, March 22nd. National Farmers Day is celebrated on which of the following dates of a month? The correct answer is C, that is 23rd December. So Kisan Divas or National Farmer Day is celebrated across the nation on 23rd December to commemorate the birth anniversary of the 5th Prime Minister of India, that is Chaudhry Charan Singh. World Hindi Day is celebrated on which day? The correct answer is D, Jan 10th. So World Hindi Day is celebrated on January 10th every year to promote the language across the world. And Hindi also happened to be one of the most spoken languages apart from India. Hindi is spoken in Trinidad, Nepal, Guyana, Mauritius, among other countries. World Biofuel Day is celebrated every year on which of the following dates? The correct answer is B, that is 10th August. So World Biofuel Day is celebrated on 10th August to create awareness about the importance of non-fossil fuel as an alternative to conventional fossil fuel and to highlight the various efforts made by the government in the biofuel sector. When is National Pollution Control Day celebrated? The correct answer is D, that is December 2nd. So National Pollution Control Day 2021 is observed annually on 2nd December to remember the people who lost lives during 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy. It is also the day to raise awareness about the hazards of air pollution. Which day is celebrated as International Yoga Day? The correct answer is A, that is June 21st. In which year was UNESCO founded? The correct answer is B, that is 1945. So, UNESCO was founded in 1945 as the successor of the League of Nations International Committee on Intellectual Cooperation. And its constitution established the agency's goal, governing structure and operating framework. World Alzheimer's Day is observed on dash. The correct answer is C, that is 21st September. Food Processing Week was observed by the Ministry of Food Processing Industry from dash. The correct answer is C, that is 6th to 12th September. So, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries is observing Food Processing Week from 6th to 12th September, under which the ministry is organizing various programs. World Press Freedom Day is celebrated on which of the following dates of the month? The correct answer is C, that is 3rd May. International Chess Day is celebrated on dash. The correct answer is E, that is 20th July. So, the idea to celebrate this day as International Chess Day was proposed by UNESCO, and it has been celebrated as since 1966. Every year International Tiger Day is celebrated on dash. The correct answer is E, that is 29th July. Global Tiger Day is celebrated every year on July 29th as a way to raise awareness about this magnificent but endangered big cat. World Heritage Day is celebrated on which of the following dates of a month? The correct answer is B, that is 18th April. When is World Wildlife Day celebrated? The correct answer is C, that is March 3rd. On which date is National Sports Day observed in India? The correct answer is C, that is 29th August. So, the National Sports Day celebrated on 29th August on the birth anniversary of hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, who won the gold medals in Olympic for India in year 1928, 1932 and 1936. World Brain Day is celebrated every year on dash. The correct answer is B, that is 22nd July. So, World Brain Day is dedicated to raising awareness and promoting advocacy related to brain health. So, the correct answer is 22nd July. On which of the following dates of a month is International Translation Day recognized? The correct answer is C, that is 30th September. Which of the following occasions festival may fall in the same month as per Vikram Samvat calendar? The correct answer is C, that is Holi and Mahashivratri. These two festivals come under the same month as per Vikram Samvat calendar. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.